Hello, hello, hello! And Gwen is back for our food review. Wow, Mrs. Roger is back. So, pasensya na guys. Yeah, my apologies because I've been busy the past week. Kumuka the past week. Kay, finally, we've been together na. Ano daw? Yeah, together once again. Oh, come on, together forever. With my husband. Oh, thank you, Lord. So this time we will try a Mexican dish na gibakal namon sa isa ka restaurant diri sa ginasaya namon sa Salinas. So hopefully manamitan kita kay this past few days nang I'm having hard time na tanan nga mga pagkaon because I'm adjusting sa food. Adjusting sa food. Anyways, let's dig in. So, ang gi-order namon is from Vallarta Supermarkets La Cocina. So, this is a Mexican food. I ordered pozole. Pozole, baby? Yeah, pozole. And then my husband ordered tacos and then burritos. Yeah, favorite niya. So, ang pozole, it's like a soup. It comes with like cabbage or lettuce and then some limes na squeeze in naton. And then some big tortilla chips. Yan. And then I have an energy drink din na watermelon guava flavor just to partner it on. Wow, energy drink on a nighttime. Let's see. Ooh. So this is so So thank you so much, my love, for the food. Thank you, Lord, for the food. So let's pour the cabbage. So my husband said squeeze daw ang it's a lot. I guess I need ng kung lang smaller portion kaya hindi ko siya gusto ma-contaminate the sweet.
I felt I was missing out on the moments around me.
So we will eat it in this one. Kaya ang wala nang available naman na container para hindi siya masayang. So pozole. Sige. Pozole. Yeah, di correct na. Pozole. Pozoles? Pozole. S. Again? Pozole? Pozole. It's hard, but my husband said my sister-in-law, Sarah, kept on like making this soup because this is really good. So I hope soon. Yeah, Sarah, teach me. So let's try this. Hindi ko siya naibot ngan tanan sang lime. So butngan ko mabutang lang ko diri gamay sa akon nga medyo dako ning brot. Ko kay amo lang ning available naman. So this is pork, guys, ha, pork. Sorry lang gid, pwede man siguro kung kunyari hindi ka mo pork eaters, pwede nyo na himuon nga beef. Yeah, pwede man chicken, pwede man beef. Yeah, but this one is pork. So let's try it. So nagpour na ko diri, guys, ha. Lang gid. Just wait for this. I'm so excited. You too. Ay. Okay, ari na. So, let's squeeze ang lime. So, ang lime nila, amo ni siya, guys. Color green nga daw lemon, pero lime gid ni siya. Yeah. Squeeze. Ooh, so good. And then, let's try it with the... Let's taste first ang soup. Okay. Meron siya sang may kalasa siya. Though try to siya sa tortilla chips, lang ko sang gamay, guys. May kalasa siya sa aton nga nga sinabawan. Nga do balbakwa siya, pero may isa pa ta na balbakwa. Comment down below, be. May isa pa ta na balbakwa nga soup number 5. No. Yeah. Good and tortilla. Very good. Namit siya, guys. Ba't ako na, do hinalang siya, guys. Mmm. Duhin na lang.
Tax expertise. Our Switch to a TurboTax expert.
So, for pozole,
All tax
this will be like 10 out of 10. Char! Siguro kung ako magluto na, mas namit pagit i-ano ko siya nga do Filipino version. Mas namit pagit siya. So, let's try next time, okay? Thank you! Thank you so much for more food review. Bye-bye!
Is actually your couch.